What's up, guys? Today we're back at the little equipment garage in the yard, and we have a snowstorm rolling in, so we want to try to take this Kubota and put the plow attachment on it, take the deck off, and get it all together and ready for the storm. It'll be a short video, but I'll let you follow along. So that's way to just kind of get us a clear spot where you'll leave the deck. And if you're able to, you turn the wheels. We're going parallel and make it easier for you. Unfortunately, mine are down right now, so I can't do that. I think use work angles. And don't push too hard. I'd say all in all, the deck probably weighs 150 pounds. Probably be a lot simpler, but there's just not a lot of grab handles, which I think would probably be a good addition. Kubota, if you're listening. Alright, so unfortunately the attachment is at my father's house, which is too close to trailer, but almost too far to drive. It's not too far to drive. It doesn't take very long. But I'm just going to drive the machine over there and hook it up, and then we'll be ready to go. Check our fuel out before we go anywhere. Full tank. Warm already, so let's check out our coolant. Apparently the Kubota brush guard, Kubota brand brush guard, is not compatible with the Kubota blades being put on the front. I've seen aftermarket ones that are, so I got creative and strapped her up. We'll go home where I've got the tools to take that off and put the blade back on. So that was not the best possible scenario, but it got the rig back home where I could work on it, where I've got my tools. So that is what is important. Otherwise, I'm gonna get this unstrapped and Maybe I'll do a time lapse, just take off that brush guard. So, should have trouble with it. All right, now that that's all done, we got a little cleanup to do. All right, guys, so I wanted to bring you back over to the Kubota. We got the plow all set up, and we were able to put it to work. Sorry I got out there and my camera wasn't on when I was around pushing snow around, but got some of the surveillance footage off of my house and used that just to show you. I used it on driveways mainly, but the city plows hadn't come by, and so I went ahead and did the street a little bit so the neighbors could just get out of their driveways. Otherwise, here's what the plow looks like.